if you have,
aircon there, she will put aircon there.
you know what? If you have two people, what happened? Huh?
I'm wearing the shoes. So, better I wear the black and brown and white shoes. We're going to Murcia.
Yeah. License from municipality. Yes, maybe no, this one. Maybe. Hindi, okay. So good, yes. Go ahead.
You feel love if you show his love or her love, like holding hands, kiss. Yes, maybe no.
Yes. Alright, go ahead next.
When we talk each other, you are waiting for her to be sensitive through tone of voice. Yes or no? Yes, maybe no.
Again, come again. When we
talk, you are waiting to be sensitive, like tone of voice. Yes, maybe no.
Tune.
Tone of voice.
How does that mean?
Tone of voice. What does it mean? Loud, fast, angry.
Oh, yeah, that's for you. That belongs to you. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Go ahead. Next. Next. Explain to me next. This one. Next. What is that? What is this one? Austin?
I told you. When we are this one,
What is this?
when we are talking, I am waiting that he or she be sensitive of tone of voice. You're sensitive to the tone of my voice, right?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes. The next one. That's true.
explaining the words.
Okay.
You're waiting to he or she explain the word. Moving the body or looking at the eyes.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh. Listen Listen. Listen carefully.
Yeah. Yes. Then next one, 3.
Three.
Next question.
I agree. I agree that my husband is the head of the family for decision making.
What do you think? It's about you. That one belongs to you.
I believe that my husband is the one who make decision, especially for the money inside the house.
It's up to you. So
Yes
be
or
honest.
no?
Be honest.
Maybe.
About me. How?
No. I will put here no.
This is 10th,
Because
right?
we should be both.
Yeah.
Both.
This is 10th, right?
Yeah.
In the.
Next.
Okay.
The wife only has a reasonable or responsible for all the work inside the house. The wife only is responsible for all the work inside the house.
No.
Yes, right.
No. Not only wife. Both, right?
Very good.
Supposed to be both, right? Next one.
If we will have baby, what will you? If we will have baby, I will choose parental care, adoption, or foster care.
If we won't have baby, like that?
Maybe if we will not have baby, we will choose parental care like adoption or foster care. What do you think?
Adoption?
Adopt.
Which one? Yeah, yes, right? 12.
If we will not have baby, what do you think?
Adoption.
Adoption or foster care?
Adoption. 12, right? Oh, that's right.
Responsible on both parents to discipline for the baby.
Of course, both parents. That's 13th, right?
Oh, so long.
13th, right?
I believe that the physically it was it
Abusive.
you see
Huh.
the baby is like discipline.
No, I'm not believing that.
Huh?
No.
I believe
No, I'm not believing that in the physical
that
abuses.
physical hitting
No, I'm not believing that.
is like discipline.
No. No, I'm not believing that. In the,
Ellen G. White said,
Even
spanking
though-
a baby is a discipline.
but for me,
But you know, let them know what's the reason why you spank them.
but there is no method now. You cannot take a raw to discipline. So there is so many other things. Which one? 14. No, in there. 14th, right? 14th, right? For me, in there.
I believe
Go.
I believe that the religion of the father will be the one to follow for
No, but Uncle, you have to.
you do.
Okay, that's not your fault.
Son of Divine. What's your birthday?
Birthday, man,
30,
30,
19,
90, 80. Yeah. Ah, Tuesday. You have leave?
Tuesday.
So hard.
We'll wait for Giselle.
Yeah. Every time they're dancing here.